Welcome this video. Depth design idea to transforming your outdoor space. Tap have become outdoor living space of fun, comfort, functional, and style. Whether you have a comfort backyard, gardening, or a rooftop retreat, a well-designed depth can transforming the area into versatile oasis. For modern minimalists, touristic charm, there are countless ways to create, adapt that fit space and personally. Let's explore top depth design idea that sub easy testing budget multi-level tab multi-level tab idea for surface yard or long space by created different type you can raise functional like lawn dining and gardening. One less can functional or barbecue area. Another a choosy set and the low level could open to the gardening or pool. Pro tip: use whiting with light and soft protection, easy level, enhanced night time embrace. Full tap, perfect for entrance or smart budget full tap, red on the ground without permitted for their great far and can be placed anywhere in the yard. Design tip: even with construction book, or depth and surrounding it with multi for a clean interest look. Depth with built-in sitting, built-in branch, safe space, and provide seamless style setting. Branch can set work well in build smart and long depth. Boundaries idea. Astoric under the set and great game or gardening tool. Cover or patio deck. Add a roof or patio to enjoy your deck is and weather. A cover deck provides shade, sunny day, and productive rain. Your outdoor 10-yard room. Depth with a fire pit. A fire pit into your depth design create a cozy invited space for even gardening. Use fireplace material and make such a fireplace is soft. Soft notes also level become a big and even overhand or functional. Rooftop deck. Embrace. Live do not mean you have a sophisticated outdoor space. Rooftop deck often provide rated above the city. Design with lightweight material, rustic plant set and soft light.